Hello, good morning. All of you fine? I think after a long gap, I come back again. Okay. Till now, we discussed about the various things on statistics. Today, we'll discuss about the graphical presentation of the statistics. Okay. Let's see what is the graphical presentation. There are some types that we can represent the data in graph. Okay. What are the types? That bar graph we can do with the help represents the data with the help of the bar graph, with the help of the histogram, frequency polygon, cumulative frequency curve, pictograph, pie chart. More are there, line graph, or and more things are there. But as we are in class 9, so all the things no need to discuss. This pie chart already got, pictograph also already got, so we will not discuss about the pie chart, we will not discuss about the pictograph. Frequency, cumulative frequency curve, that is in the next class, in class 10 we will get to the cumulative frequency curve. And our discussion is, the topic is what? These three things only: bar graph, histogram and frequency polygon. But today we will discuss only the bar graph. Today we will discuss only the bar graph. What is bar graph? Let's see what is the bar graph. What is bar graph? It is a graphical display. Bar graph, it is nothing but a graphical display. What a display? Categorical data using bars or different heights. Using bars of different heights. We will use the categorical. We will represent the categorical data with the help of bars or strips, rectangular strips. With the help of the rectangular strips. But condition is what? What are the things are there? The bars can be either horizontal, it may be horizontal or it may be vertical. It may be horizontal or it may be vertical. Like this type of strips we will use bars or rectangle strips. Okay. It may be vertical, this vertical, or it may be horizontal bars. With the help of the vertical or horizontal bars we can represent. And one more thing is that in between the bars the gap is there and there should be equal length. That is width of the gap of the width of bars between the bars should be same. And one more thing we have to keep in mind: the breadth or width of the each and every bars should be same. Okay, clear? That is the bar graph. Now, how to do the bar graph? How to draw the bar graph? Two lines. We will draw two lines. We can use a plain sheet or we can use a graph paper. Okay. We can draw the bar graph in plain paper also. We can draw the bar graph in graph paper also. In both cases we can do. Two lines we will draw. The two lines that should be perpendicular to each other, and the line which is along the horizon is called x-axis. This line is called x-axis, and the vertical line is called y-axis. And why they are intersecting, that is called origin. This is known as origin. Okay. Along the horizontal axis line or horizontal x-axis, we will choose the uniform width of the bars. In general, we will represent the bar graph vertically. And if sometimes if it is depends upon the question, sometimes we will draw the horizontal bar graph. So in general, how do we do? Along the horizontal line, we will choose the uniform width of the bars and uniform gap between the bars. We will choose the uniform width of the bars and uniform gap between the bars along the x-axis or along the horizontal line. Okay, horizontal line, and write the names of the data whose values are to be marked, and we will write the values of the data whose values are to be marked. Okay, and then draw the bars respective to the numerical values. Draw the bars respective to the numerical values. Let us see one example, then it will be clear to us how to draw the bar graph. Let's see the example. So one example we are taking. What is the example? The example is there. Draw the bar graph of the following data. This is a data. This is categorical data, and on the this data. We have to represent this data with the help of the bar graphs. For this, what do we have to do? We have to draw the x-axis and y-axis. Okay, let us see. With the help of the scale or ruler, we will draw the lines, both the lines on x-axis and y-axis. Okay, let's see what is the lines are there. We will draw the lines with the help of scale, x-axis and y-axis. We will draw. This is the line. This is horizontal line. This is vertical line. Okay, this line is x-axis. This is y-axis, and this is the origin. On x-axis, we will take the equal length. We will mark it an equal gap. I think, and that should be careful here. Be careful here. How many are the things? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 things should become 1, 2, that gap 2, then that gap 3. So be careful here. We have to mark in that way that all the things should become. Okay, so be careful here. So what we can do? This we can take little bit gap. This is one gap. This uniform gap we are taking from here, and this is the length of the bars. Again, same length we are taking here, and this is the length of the bar. Okay, same length we are taking here, and this is the length of the bar. This is A, this is B, this is C. In this way, same gap and the length of D. Then same gap. This is the bar. E. The same gap. This is the bar. F. Okay. And here we write what this. The variables are what? Political party. Political party. On x-axis is political party. This is x-axis. And y-axis what we write? Seats owned. Seats owned. Why? Here. What is the highest? 75. So if it is 0, origin is means 0, we can mark it. This is 10. This is 20. This is 30. Then it will be easy to draw. This is 40. 50, 60, 70, then 80. So political party A, what is the, how many seats are there? 75. So we'll take 75, 70 and 80, in between 70 and 80, that is 75. This is 75. This mark is 75. Okay, so we'll draw a bar with the help of the scale, and that should be same. This is 75. Be careful. With the help of a scale will do. Okay. This is political party A. Shows this bar. That is 75. Next is B is 55. 55 means 50 and 60. This is 55. This point is 55. So this point is 55. Here we can mark it. Then it will be easy to found. This 55. Political party B is 55. So this is 55. This is 55. Next is 37. 30 to 40. 30 to 40 but near to 40. That is 37. This is 37. So this is 37. Next 29. 29. This is 29. Next is D 29. So be careful for drawing the lines, and it should be parallel rectangles, not slanting to each other, no, same length, same breadth should be there. Next is 10. So this is 10. this length is 10, E is 10, so E is 10. Next is 37, 37, again 37, 37 already I have drawn one, that is 37, this is 37. So this data is represented by the bars, and their width is same breadth and the same gap between the bars. Okay, you can make a design, that is your choice. If you have available time, you can make it. If time is short, no need to do. And you can mark the numbers, that is 75. This is what? 55, this is 37, this is 29, then 10, and this is 37. And we can differentiate the different political parties, the sitting number. In this way, you can represent the bar graph of the respective data. Okay, I hope you understand. Thank you. Have a nice day. Again, we will discuss the more things in the next class.